turning to China, the latest data there shows that economy still pretty hot, but the government's been warning the growth is not on solid ground. Our Sarah Eisen spoke with a key player at BlackRock who tracks that market very closely, and she's standing by with the details. Sarah?
John, unlike many investors, he's not worried about crash landings or bubbles over in China. And really, who better to talk about China than Evy Hambro? He is the fund manager for BlackRock's World Mining Trust. It's recognized by an industry group as the world's best trust over the last decade. And China, after all, is the world's biggest buyer of metals. Here's his take on recent government policies to cool things down here.
I think you also have to remember that China's been one of the most successfully managed economies over the last decade or more, achieving one of the highest rates of growth of any economy around the world. The fact that they're trying to moderate growth down from the high levels seen in the first few months of this year to the levels they've been targeting of around 8 or 9% seems very sensible to me. So I'm actually encouraged. I think it'll make China stronger over the next few years.
John, he's encouraged. He says that should keep China hungry for metals, particularly optimistic there about gold.
Okay, what's the reasoning for that bullishness on gold?
Right, that's a good question because we already see gold trading near a record high. He's given me, though, a list of reasons gold could go even higher. The main one, people want an alternative right now to paper currencies like the dollar and the euro.
If the governments around the world decided to be able to pay off all of their debts in a short period of time and a magic fairy came along and gave them the money to do so, then obviously that would have a near-term impact on the price of gold. But you have to remember that it would probably only fall in that environment to the marginal cost of production, and that's not very far away from the price where we see it right now.
Investors buying gold, central banks are doing it as well, loading up on gold in their own portfolios. And John, it's just another bullish factor there going for gold, according to BlackRock.